Welcome to Three Embers here at the Marriott Lincolnshire Resort. Three Embers is a contemporary American restaurant. We're cooking over live wood fire grill. We are using some of the latest cooking techniques to create great steaks, seafood, lamb chops, with fresh ingredients year-round. So Three Embers came together after listening to feedback from our guests, our hotel travelers, our theater guests, in what they wanted. And they told us they wanted somewhere modern, inventive, and with a lot of culinary freedom. So we worked with our chefs here on site, on property, and came up with Three Embers. We completely redid our dining room. With floor-to-ceiling windows, we've been able to open up and bring nature inside. Beautiful sweeping views of Lake Lincolnshire and this fountain. And we seat up to about 138 guests. As much as we can, we cook over our wood-fired grill. It's really great. It imparts a nice smokiness to the meats and vegetables and anything else we cook over it, and gives it a flavor you can't just get from a traditional grill. Having the open flame grill, you don't have an even consistent heat like you would from a commercial grill, so you have to really manage the coals, manage the fire, and that's part of where the Three Embers name comes from, is you're cooking over the embers after the wood has burned down, not necessarily over the open flame, as that helps keep a lot more even heat to the grill. So this is our heirloom carrot salad. The carrots are ancho chili dusted with a smoked yogurt, pistachios, and a citrus vinaigrette. The duck prosciutto crostini has Wisconsin ricotta cheese, apples, cranberries, and a small arugula salad on top. And then our wood-grilled steel salmon with sweet potato puree, pea greens, forest mushrooms, and a lemon green tea vinaigrette. The great part about being on the resort here is with our 167 acres, we have a 2-acre farm and apiary on site. So we are always able to continually adapt our menu using whatever's seasonally and fresh and grown right here on property. We added a greenhouse this season, so we're even able to, with the exception of about 1 month a year, we have vegetables coming right out of our garden onto the farm. So it's a constantly evolving menu based on what's fresh, what's in season, and what our chefs can source real local here.